Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now. Confirm the remote is a Suzuki Swift key fob and have a CR2032 battery ready because most models use that cell. First, remove the mechanical key by pressing the release and pulling out. That exposes the case seam. Once done, insert a small plastic pry or a 1/8 flat screwdriver into the seam and twist gently to separate the halves. Take care not to deform plastic. You want controlled pressure and a clear opening before moving to the internal components. Once the case is open, identify the battery and note its orientation. The plus side usually faces up. Take a quick photo to ensure correct reinstallation. Carefully lift the old CR2032 with a plastic tool or non-metallic pick to prevent shorting or bending the spring contacts. Slide the new battery under the retaining clip and press until it sits flush. Make sure the contacts touch the battery edges. If terminals look dirty, clean lightly with a cotton swab and 70% isopropyl. This ensures reliable contact and signal strength. After installing the new cell, align the two case halves and press them together until they click. Make sure the rubber buttons sit properly and the internal board is aligned. Once reassembled, stand next to the car and test lock, unlock, and trunk functions, then step back to confirm range. If buttons don't respond, reopen and reseat the battery, clean contacts again, and verify orientation. If it still fails, try a known working remote, or check your car's key battery registration procedure as the final troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.